Yes, my friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. This is what the wholesale way they deal with exclusive. Every design you will find out the color charts. The cotton silk, these collections are for summer special. You have these varieties with the color charts with this kind of sari, which is a geometrical pattern of these color, which is a half white, very pretty, very golden with maroon color shade combination. You can see this Amaravati cotton and you can purchase the maroon color combination. You have a beautiful lovely with the golden brownish shade with a mustard yellow. I hope all are safe and doing great. You're watching it my background and number of box collections. Today I am at the counter of silk collections, the premium silk varieties where Kesaria Manufacturers is brought for you. Royal premium collections with the catalog base, the color charts you can purchase at wholesale. This is what the wholesale way they deal with exclusive. Every design you will find out the color charts. Somewhere 6 colors, somewhere 4 colors. So my friends, today I brought for you for this summer, again the new collections has come for the new varieties from the cotton silk segment. These collections are very pretty and very beautiful. The resellers, silk resellers, cotton resellers, just take this video, entirely see this video and take a screenshot. Call the numbers which are scrolling on the screen quickly. Place an order and add into your business. Every color and every design is very unique, and these collections in the market, the ratio level and the profit and the business wise is huge demand. So subscribe the channel, there's a bell icon, just click it, you'll get the notifications, and you can follow the social media pages and website social media pages to have a tie-up and to start a clothing business with the right manufacturers. Kesaria, the location point which is located at Doriwala Square building next to Mohan, opposite to Surat Railway Station, just 3 minutes walkable distance from Surat Railway Station. So you have a language communication sales executive, so no need to worry. So let's see the samples over here. When you're not able to travel, you can go for online shopping. COD Pan India is available, minimum 20 to 25,000 you can purchase. So let's see the collections over here. I have a very pretty color with the onion dark pink color with the matte pattu border. You can see the cotton silk. These collections are for summer special. You have these varieties with the color charts. Every sari is having a code also. This is a cross cotton, this is a code. In this you will get a color charts over here, the samples which I'm showing you, and you have a very beautiful pretty color which for the aged, for the senior category people, all the professional formal teachers, working women, they carry these kind of collections over here. The cream color with the bottle green light matte color and the grey color combination. You have a fancy thread tassel over here. This is also one of the pattern. You can take a screenshot and you can contact. If I talk about the traditional look of beautiful lovely sari with a brocade pattern of the dark matte golden brown with this kind of sari which is a geometrical pattern of these color, which is a half white, very pretty, very golden with maroon color shade combination. You can have a look. I am not sharing the code. If you can just take a code or screenshot. This is the sari which the code I'm showing you, which is Aarti Savita cotton. Aarti Savita cotton. This pattern you can take this and you can call into purchase. Very pretty color, one of the blue combination. The matte, which is you can see the weaving and wool as the print pattern. You have these kind of saris and very beautiful, very pretty with the gap borders, with the borderless saris I can say over here. This is also one of the combination. Every sari you having the identify of this Amaravati cotton. You can see this Amaravati cotton and you can purchase. Coming to mustard yellow, very pretty, the bold the floral rose flower, you can see the golden foil, the maroon color combination. You have a beautiful lovely with the golden brownish shade with a mustard yellow, the gap border you can see over here. This is the sari, and I can tell this is a sari which is Gunjan cotton. Every sari is having a, this is the pattern of Gunjan cotton is the code. In this code you can also purchase. If I talk about the next sari, the colorful, very pretty with the leafy pattern. Entire sari has done the painting pattern. Very cream half white color. Lovely sari you can see with the borderless saris, I can say the casual look which is carry. This is also one of the pattern and you can take a screenshot. And one more color is golden pattu with the Mahalakshmi traditional look of the peach pink with the maroon red. This is also one of the combination. This saree is having a butterfly. You have a butterfly weaving work, so this is called as butterfly cotton. My friends, these are all exclusive new varieties. If I talk about the beautiful box packing over here, every saree you will find out these kind of boxes. My friends, quickly before getting out of stock, place an order. Please and add into your business. Hope you enjoyed. If you don't know, these collections are around something 600 to 1200 range of collections. To know the actual prices, please contact the online team. So next video will meet. Keep supporting me, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share your name and city, from which city you're watching the video, and share the link with your friends, relatives, everyone. So until then, take care. Bye bye.